Okay, just watch it.
They told me about this.
Oh
my god.
Watch the whole thing.
Why would you do this? She like she's enjoying this. Oh.
Alright.
And her teeth are fucked up too.
I'm calling Johnny. The Lord needs to.
And she threw up. And she's eating it. And she's about to throw up into her mouth. That is nasty as hell. They really eating shit. That's nasty.
Oh, okay.
I mean, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be, but it was bad. That's nasty.
I thought it was gonna be longer.
Yeah,
Like,
I thought it was gonna be. That was gonna be shitting everywhere, just shit all
Okay,
on
now
the
find the
walls.
other one.